Sanibona bafethu. It has been brought to my attention ukuthi amathikithi asesold out. Amathikithi aNedbank Cup final lekuzodlala between iKaizer Chiefs neOrlando Pirates. So ethu dabhikile bafethu abantu abaningi ade bewadinga lamathikithi. I did a video last week yabo explaining ukuthi amathikithi azodayiswa kanjani. So ngabachazela abantu ukuthi open tickets uwona ozodayisa amathikithi noShoprite mase kuba noCheckers yabo. But-ke namhlanje amathikithi aphumile yabo aphuma ngo-10 official PSL ukhiphile istatement wanikeza abantu ilink ukuthi abantu bangene kuleyo link leyo bayothenga amathikithi yabo nami ngomunye walawo bantu ngikwazile ukwathola amathikithi ami. But-ke I see a lot of people abakhala ngokuthi i-network yaka open tickets ibingasebenzi. The reason why i-network yaka website actually yaka open tickets ibingasebenzi, most people went online and searched open tickets bangena ku website yaka open tickets before ama-tickets azaphuma yabo. Most yabantu bekune traffic lapha yabo iyona into edala ukuthi i-network i-crash down yabo before uPSL uzokhipha ilink. Le link le ikhisho uPSL iyona ebikudirector kuma-tickets adedayiswa yabo iyona ade direct abantu kuma-tickets adedayiswa. Abantu abaningi bawathole kanjalo ama-tickets. Wena mhlambe ungenile wangawabona ama-tickets wabona ukuthi i-network i-down yabo. Uthe sikhamba isikhathi during the day sabona uCompetickets now kuthiwa uyawadayisa ama-tickets. Most people went there kaCompetickets wayothenga ama-tickets, but iningi labantu mina engisaxhumane nabo bawathengile kaCompetickets but abakawathola ama-references kuma-email yabo ababakatshela ukuthi bathengile kodwa ama-tickets ababakawa receive. Angazi kwenze njani yabo because mina mengikhumbula angikhumbuli uCompetickets ubalwa kule ngxenye lezi zokuthenga ama-tickets. But-ke Kaizer Chiefs main account irepostile yasho ukuthi yes ngayi kowathenga kaCompetickets. Right now ama-tickets asold out bafethu. Asazi ama-tickets athengoba because most yabantu engikhuluma nabo leka Checkers abawathola ama-tickets. Angazi ama-tickets awadayiswa kanjani ka-Checkers because kuyaqala ukwenzeka kanje. Ama-tickets emezokhishwa Spar sijwayele ukuya kaSpar siwathola ama-tickets. Ama-tickets amezokhishwa uTicket Pro sijwayele ukwathola ama-tickets but they used open tickets. Open tickets akusiyona iwebsite e-right for ama-matches akanje. Yes bakwazile ukwadayisa ama-matches ale eSoweto lapha eFNB but-ke la eDurban I feel like bahlulekile yabo bahlulekile ukuplan into yabo abayenzanga kahle because many people were trying to buy these tickets. Many people bebeku-line ama-tickets abe-sold out beku-line yabo and lento ayikho right. Ithi siphelile lento le lo line okuwona uthi usewathenga ama-tickets vele i-site crash down yabo uthi uya-refresh i-site crash down abantu abaningi abekho hip. I hope PSL izobenza ubulungiswa ama-tickets mhlawumbe ngenzeka ama-tickets awadayiswanga wonke yabo asazi. But uma ungenala i-tickets bhala la kuma-comments. I'm sure kukhona abanawo ama-tickets abazamile ukwathenga mhlawumbe bazoshaya ama-resale. Angiyithandi-ke lento yama-resale angifuna ukuqamba amanga. Angiyithandi yabo because now ama-tickets asezodayiswa nge-double price which is not fair yabo which is not fair.